Mike here, submit any acid, Eleanor and Lewis. So, let me halt everybody here. I need to go back to the top of my list and run down here, and then we'll pick up the new ones. Tom, KMGK, that's you hanging out there by Moncloa and Stead. Go ahead.
Yeah, it did sound. None of the workmen spilled their coffee since we were warned. Let's say it went off, KMGK.
Well, see, it just took away your entertainment by warning them. Okay, that's you in all right then. Lucas, KD8CYI, go ahead. Okay, a little scratchy again, but I sounded like an affirmative, so park it.